In this video today, I will show you how to fix Roblox connection error. Please don't skip the video, otherwise you won't understand anything. You can already see the error on my screen. Please follow my method step by step. Tap Roblox application. Now click Info icon. Scroll down. Click Storage. Now delete Clear Data and Clear Cache. Now go back here. Now go to Google Play Store. Now search Roblox. Update Roblox app. Now waiting for Update Roblox application. Now click Play. See if it opens properly now. I hope you understand how to fix this. If the video was helpful, please subscribe.